Jaketen 3000 psi high pressure washer electric power washer 1.8 GPM 1800W sprayer cleaner machine with 5 quick connect spray nozzles. US stock 3000 psi 1800W feature 3000 PSI at 18 GPM will blast through grime and dirt to restore your surfaces. High/low pressure operated freely. Can be used vertically or horizontally for greater stability. 5 interchangeable high and low pressure nozzles wash various surfaces. 6M high pressure hose for greater reach. 10M power cord for use on all exterior outlets. Soap applicator to apply soap to completely clean any surface. Ideal pressure cleaning solution for homes, cars, boats, RVs, friveways, and decks. Product specification: material, plastic and metal color, green dimension, 30x27x76 cm/11.7x10.5x29 6-inch power cord length, 10m/32 8 feet high pressure hose length, 6m/19 7 feet plug type, US plug voltage, 100/120V/60 Hz wattage, 1800W rated pressure, 2200 PSI max pressure, 3000 PSI flow rate, 18 GPM max inlet water pressure, 1 MPa protection type, IPX5 water temperature, 0-40 applications, for homes, cars, boats, RVs, driveways, decks. Package content: 1x high pressure washer, 1x 10M electric cord, 1x 6M high pressure hose, 1x spray gun, 1x connection lance, 1x adjustable spray lance, 5x nozzles, 1x water filter, 1x cleaning pin, 1x screwdriver and wrench, 1x manual powerful motor, 1800 watt motor for maximum 3000 PSI cleaning power. Powered using an air-cooled industrial motor, and the power will blast through grime and dirt to restore your surfaces. TSS, Total Stop System, Power Pressure Washer features safety automatic total stop system, which can automatically turn off the machine when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong working life. We provide 3/3FT power cord with inline GFCI for use on all exterior outlets. 5 quick connect spray tips, 0, 15, 25, 40 and soap. These spray tips tackle light, medium and heavy duty cleaning tasks. You can choose the most suitable flow to wash various surfaces. Easy to use and assemble, the machine is easy to set up as we provide all necessary accessories: high pressure washer, 3/3FT electric cord, 19/7FT high pressure hose, spray gun, connection lance, adjustable spray lance, turbo nozzle, brush nozzle, water filter, soap detergent bottle, cleaning pin, manual. Please check the attached manual for the detailed installation procedures. Multifunctional, ideal pressure cleaning solution for all type of vehicles, cars, SUVs, ATVs, boats, RVs and homes, driveways, decks and etc. Easily gets rid of dirt, grime, gunk, oil, rust, mildew and so on. It has outdoor cleaning power to make quick cleaning jobs. 20 feet high pressure hose are provided for greater reach. Jaketen 3000 psi high pressure washer electric power washer, 1.8 GPM 1800W sprayer cleaner machine with 5 quick connect spray nozzles. US stock, 3000 psi, 1800W. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.